Hello, my name is Airdas Kirstukas and I am so excited to show you this new tutorial on how to make professional website. I will make with you a beautiful Windows cleaning business website from scratch by using WordPress. You're not gonna need to buy any software apart from domain name and hosting provider. The cost of this is just few dollars per month. I will walk with you through every step from installation of WordPress up to design the pages, creation forms, instant quotation forms and service maps. Just have a look what you could be able to create if you follow this tutorial. In this tutorial I will teach you how to create website which one you are seeing on the screen. We will design the header, the service page, the footer area, and footer bar area. We will create the pages About Us, Get Quoted, Contact Us and Covering Area. About Us page, Get Instant Quote page, Contact Us page, and Covering Area page. If you like what you see so far, keep watching this video. If you want to create a website first, you need to buy a domain name and hosting provider. I would suggest using Hostinger services. As you can see on the screen, the price starts only from less than $1. Let's scroll down and have a look. Yes, single shared hosting. I would suggest actually go for the premium sharing hosting as it has 2 processing powers and memory. That as well would include free domain name with that service. Just to mention, if you would not like, you can get a refund back as we have 30 days money back guarantee. So you just add the card and then you have an options actually. You can if you're gonna buy for 48 months, you're gonna save the most. But if it's a bit too much, you can go for 24 months or for 12 months. So for 12 months it's $54 only, and that's per month. $375, still very good price. But if you would go for 48 months, that's 4 years actually for $123. If you're happy what you can see, just do checkout, fill details, and you buy the service. I already bought it. I'm gonna have a show you. We're gonna send you email all details, and then you have to go to login page and log into your service. Usually your email and then the password. Just paste the password and log in. Yeah, and just logged in. I'm gonna press done save. So when you're gonna arrive to that screen after you purchase first time, it's all gonna be this on the setup page. And then you need to just go to setup, following instructions, and actually you will end up with that kind of screen. Just for your advice, if you're not sure about email, just don't set up this one and just set up the hosting and domain. So either way, you can go to the hosting, and then it's gonna be your created domain name, manage. And as you can see, I already installed 2 websites, but if I want, because I have that premium option, I can install up to 100 websites. Just go back to hostings, just manage, and then press on subdomains, And then you can create any subdomain. Let's say we're going to install flower shop. So flowers, and I'm gonna leave this one because that's kind of it, and I'm just gonna press create. As you can see, we have a flowers Kristukas domain. So now if we're gonna go back to the hostings, manage, and just gonna go down to the script installing services, auto installer, WordPress, and then pick that one, flowers. You installing WordPress, then the administrator username, create a password, email, language, and website title. You can, this one update only to minors version, you can leave it this one. So we're gonna create the password. Title is gonna be flowers, and install. And as we can see, its flowers has been installed. So let's press on this one, and we can see the flowers, just another WordPress website, sample page. If you're gonna press it, sample page like this. As you can see, that was simple process. As you can see, our website is unsecure. So if we wanted to secure it, we need to enable SSL certificate. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You go back to the dashboard, you go SSL, manage, and force hit HTTPS. And that's how it's done. So if we're gonna go on a website, it's gonna be secured. Just to show that actually the subdomain like flowers, it's still unsecure. So probably gonna need to buy extra certificate. I will find out and update you. So go back to our website, and if we're gonna go login, just /admin, then you have to type the details. And you logged in on your website. So if we're gonna go visit site, you have brand new WordPress website installed on your server. First we need to install the theme. We go to the theme, and then we're going to the Astra, scrolling down, download now, and then we don't want to pay it, and we just download free Astra theme. Then you can enter your name and your email address and subscribe download, or you can pick no thanks, just want to download Astra. I just press this button and I just press save. Okay, so when we've done that, we're going back on our dashboard, add new, upload theme, browse, and in downloads, open and install now, and then activate. Yeah, and the theme has been installed. What next? Next we're gonna need to install Elementor page builder. We're going to the plugins, add new one, and search for Elementor. And we see over 3 million active installation. It's so popular. Install. After installed, activate, and you can watch the quick tutorial if you want, but I just gonna turn it off. Okay, so then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna create some pages. We're just going page, add new, and then services. So we're gonna create some service, publish, add new, contact us, publish, add new, about us we're gonna create, publish, add new, get quote, publish, add new, covering area, publish, and if we're gonna go to all pages, we will see our all created pages. So let's start create first one. I just gonna press on service, and then we have to go test. So we just gonna pick full width stretch and disable title, as we're gonna create title in Elementor. Disable breadcrumbs, we're gonna leave it for now as it is. If we're gonna need to make any changes, we always can come back and do it. Update, then edit with Elementor, and we are here. You can see that Windows cleaning website is already automatically menu displaying all the pages. We're gonna start to create the service page. So press on the plus sign and then pick this structure one. Then you go to stretch section and press yes and boxed full width. And then we're going to advance to style actually. And we're gonna insert some video from YouTube. Just gonna take this video, copy, and then paste here, and then start time, we're gonna write 1 to 5, that's seconds, and finish for 20. You can select any timing as you wish. So that's done. Update. Now what we're gonna need, we're gonna insert some heading, text heading, and we're gonna write any slogan, clean your windows or whatever. I just gonna write Windows cleaning service. Maybe just cleaning service makes more sense, as we're gonna offer more than Windows cleaning. Okay, just in the middle, and then style, you're gonna have text color, and then I'm gonna pick the white one, that would be more visible. And typography you can change, by default is this one, but you can change to any typography you want. Size you can adjust as well, and other all things like transform, default, upcaser, lowcaser, normal. You can have a look yourself and have familiar with all those options. Text shadow, we can insert some shadows. Blur, let's say we just do this a bit more, maybe, and then not horizontal but it's seeable a bit. Okay, then we have to insert some spacer, because that doesn't look very nice at the beginning. So let's insert spacer up top, let's say this one kind of thing, and let's insert spacer down there, and kind of this one. So just quick update, have a look, and we can see it's already showing cleaning services, and it's kind of starting our website look much nicer. Okay, so we've done this. Let's insert some buttons. So we have to insert the intersection in there underneath the cleaning service. And then we're just gonna go to the buttons. One, we can do this to the right, and let's say we can write here contact us. You can be as creative as you can. Okay, just gonna type that kind of way, and then we're gonna adjust the link later when we're gonna create the page like contact us page. Now we don't have contact us page at the moment. You can as well add icon library. Just have a look. Contact. Now it might be phone. Let's say phone. Pick this one. Insert. And you can have as well before or after. And then as well we're gonna go on the button and get what we're gonna write. Get quarter. As well might be some icon. It's plenty of icons, you can pick any you like. Just gonna enter quarter. We're gonna look what it's gonna be offered. Now it doesn't show much, so we're just gonna pick you can see we have many icons actually to pick. I can't find out which one I actually really would like. I'm struggling actually a bit. Let's put this arrow. Insert. And this is before and after we're gonna do. You can as well do space if you want. Let's do 10 and then this. Let's do 10 as well. That would look similar. So yeah, we created update and we can preview. Yes, as we created, everything looks nice at the moment. Okay, what we're gonna do next? Let's create another structure like this. And as well, always don't forget to stretch section, and if you wanted that would be displayed in whole page, you have to pick the full width. And let's insert some headings. And then we can write like decking, cleaning, mid in the center. We can change color, text color. Let's say pick this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Let's do it, leave it black for the moment, and then just go back again, insert another structure. Same, all the same, and then insert picture, image, go to image library and select decking, insert media. And as you can see, it's nice picture displayed. So let's insert some text as well. So do again. This time we're gonna pick 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I'm gonna explain later why. So just write as well, pick like stretch section, full width, and then as you can see we can adjust this one. Let's say we leave 10% and leave 10%. Then go pick the text editor, drop there, and then just I'm gonna copy some text. Yep, you have an option, align left, center. Personally I like always do justify, so I just go there and type justify user text, update. Okay, you can basically adjust if you want. You can do more. You can do more for this side. Update, preview, and you can see how it looks. It doesn't look text very nice at the moment, so maybe we have to center better. Let's try to center. Yep, update, go preview. Yeah, it's much nicer. Decking cleaning. And what we have to do, you just do the same to next. So copy, and I'll go paste. Just delete this one, and then go and change to whatever service you're gonna offer, like let's say conservatory cleaning. Go here, it's not video, we're gonna again image. You can insert even video, make small videos how you're doing the job actually, and insert. Just choose the image. I'm just gonna choose this one, insert, and then as well text editor, and we are gonna paste some text. Like this. Here I'm gonna do similar size, and let's do center as well. Update, preview, and as you can see it looks nice. If you want a more spacing between those, let's say decking cleaning, conservatory cleaning, and leave more space, how to do this? Go here, select this element, just go to advanced and margin top. You can make like a bit more. Okay, update, preview, and we're gonna see that it's more space now is there. So you can play with those settings how do you like. Just okay, gonna go back, and now as well another thing, we're gonna preview how we're gonna look this on the tablet view. It looked quite good, I would say. We don't need to do any adjustment. And a mobile as well, Windows cleaning website, it's just a bit, those buttons maybe we need to make smaller, or we can center. We can do this one, and we can center, and we can do this and center. That would be same. Conservatory decking cleaning, conservatory cleaning, and this, it doesn't look good, as we can see. Okay, how are we gonna fix it? Just go back on the desktop. On the desktop look nice, and the mobile doesn't look very nice. So go this, and then drag this image behind this section. Yep, so now we're in the same, and this, do the same with this, behind it, this one, and do the same with the other one. Drag to this one, put behind this, and text, put behind this one, and delete all those. Update, preview, yep, this looks good. Now go back, preview on a tablet view, it looks nice, and preview on mobile view. Yeah, it's everything looks nice. Okay, so desktop, I'm gonna create some more. So just duplicate this section. Now we're gonna do driveway cleaning, and we're gonna do gutter cleaning. And then we have to change the images. Insert, and there, insert, insert. As you can see, the image, this one is a bit bigger. How we can fix it? You can go to the custom size and then try to adjust. Let's say 750 we're gonna enter by 500. Apply. It's getting much better. It's still a bit higher, so maybe 490. You just need to play around. 495 would be perfect. Apply. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. And then text, we have to as well. I'm gonna copy and paste some text, and here as well. Gonna delete, gonna copy and paste. Yep, center only. All done. So now let's go and duplicate again. Do a few more services. Roof cleaning, let's say. And fascia cleaning. Okay, change image. Insert. Fascia cleaning. Insert. This is small, so we have to change to large. Yeah, and it's coming back nice. And just type some text as well. copy and paste. Yep. And here we're gonna do the same. Delete. Copy and paste. Just put some center and update and preview. Okay, have preview. How it looks? Yeah, it looks nice, I would say. Okay, what else? Let's insert where are serving our service. So select your structure like this. Go to here and select map, Google Maps, drag and drop. You see, you have an option to display like this. You can pick any address you want. You just type here. Let's say I'm gonna type Bristol, and it will show Bristol. If you go on there, display option, stretch, boxed, full width you can pick, and default gaps you can write no gaps. Then gonna be no gaps. Update, preview. And it's gonna show where you are located. You actually should, the best thing is to insert your business name if you have that. Okay, so this done. Let's do another thing. So go there. What else? We can give some testimonials around our services. So let's create another one. Let's say pick structure this. Just go up section. Boxed, full width, advanced, library style. Let's insert some video. I just selected this guy. You can play with the timing yourself, just adjust which part you like to show. Okay, so now we go there and pick this one, testimonial. Yep, and then we can write something. What your client think about your business. This one. And the name, we are just gonna leave this. I'm just gonna designer disable title and choose image. Gonna delete image and thanks. The style, color might be white, might be black. Better would be suitable. White on black, we can see much better. So I'm gonna make that kind of shadow that would be much easier to read the text. We've done it. Can duplicate this one. See? And then copy. And just change name. Let's say Amanda. And then duplicate, copy, change what she said over here and change to the name. We're gonna, let's put Natalie this time, and duplicate one more, let's see. And again, same process. You're just gonna be more familiar as you're gonna do more and more, and then just change name to Sarah. Just capital first. Yeah, all done. We can make a bit more nicer. Top maybe margin, and no, not this one. Padding, yes, I like paddings. Yep, that looks much nicer for me. Update, preview, and if we're gonna go to our website first page, we're gonna see cleaning service, decking cleaning, conservatory cleaning, driveway cleaning, gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, fascia cleaning, and then some like a review. Thanks for absolute superb job, and then the area where we should like locate it. It looks nice for me. What else we can do? We need to insert something how we can color it, contact us. So let's put another structure, same thing, box, full width, style, classic, color, let's pick this color, then go and insert heading. I'm just thinking, okay, and just write contact us on 0 and type your phone number, and you can write pick center, duplicate, yep, drag section up, maybe here, contact us, and this time we're gonna put on right, let's say contact us, update, preview, yep, I would say it looks nice. You have all the information in this page what you want to share, so you can still adjust and add new elements as you can go through. You have image, you can add button if you want. I think personally this is kind of good. Website, so this page is made. Now we're gonna create about us page. First we have to press on the plus sign, select this structure, go here and do stretch section, yes, content width, select full width. Okay, so we're gonna go to style, and then we're gonna pick background type as a video. I already picked this kind of video. You can pick anything you like or make your own. So just I'm gonna copy. If you don't like to be the video background, you can use just classic color gradient or any slideshow picture. So I'm just gonna paste, and then you can adjust the start time and end time. I'm gonna begin with the 45 second and finishing on 120. And then as well you have an option that play on mobile or don't play once or just keep playing over and over. And then as well you have the cover image will replace the background video in case the video could not be loaded. And then you have as well background overlay option, border and shape dividers. Okay, we're gonna leave like this now. So I'm gonna go back here and we're gonna insert intersection element. Okay, we've done that. So in this one about us, we're gonna actually, you should show your own portrait or whatever picture by what you are doing. But in this case scenario, I just gonna go to the Pixabay website and I gonna pick this picture. So I'm just gonna press free download. Gonna pick the size, download, and save file. And okay. I already download, so press this, insert the picture, image, just drop down there and then choose image and this guy here. And you should enter as well cleaning windows, your probably company name, your title as well, your company name. That would help for search optimization. Insert media. As we can see, the picture is sitting nice. We go in this section, and that is because boxed with box. If we're gonna full width, you can see it became it full. And then now, if we're gonna select this image and center, it became center, what center lies. Okay, so this is done. This section is done. What here? Here we can write something about us actually. So we're just gonna insert some heading, and then you can type whatever you like. So I just gonna type who we are, and then center. Gonna pick the text color to the black one, back to content. You can pick the size here, or better go to style, typography, and then size you can adjust here by sliding the slider. So much easier, and you can stop in position you really like. So I stopped like here. That looks good for me for the moment. What else we can do? If we're gonna go to advanced and then background, and it's like normal one at the moment. So if we're gonna pick classic, it's transparent. We can put white, and then we can make a bit transparent. That would be more seeable, like this. It depends how you like, what your preference it is. The idea is that the word would be readable and it would be easy for people, client to read. Okay, we've done it, and then we're going to insert some text editor. It didn't insert in the right position, so we're gonna do history, and we're gonna go back. Heading, we're here back. Okay. Then I want to insert just under here. As you can see, now it's good. I'm gonna copy and paste some text. Yep, I've done it. So I can center. As you can see, it's quite difficult to read. It's hardly seeable at all. So we're going to style, text color. We can pick black one straight away. It's much better. And then we can go to advanced section, background, as we done previous. We done pick this one and pick white from transparent, and as you can see, and then just a bit we can reduce transparency. That would be still video seeable. So yeah, that's quite good. It's just only video. As you can see, it's finishing in that nice design appearing. So what we can do about that, we can adjust here from 120, let's say 110. I'm gonna do it. Update, and now should be alright. So just update, preview we're gonna do. And as you can see, our about us page is done. Who we are, we specialize in boats, blah blah blah. And then your picture, you can insert more blocks and write down about yourself, about what your service you are actually doing. Let's make contact us page. So go to the pages, contact us, go and set full with stretched, and then disable title and disable future image update, and go and to press edit with Elementor. Then press plus sign, pick this structure, full stretch and full width. Okay. What we have to do now, we can insert the map in this one site. I'm gonna go find the map, Google Map, as in the previous page setup. You can change location, and then here we're gonna set up contact form. So first we can put some heading, right? Contact us. Center, change color, okay, and the phone number let's write down as well. So another heading. Or we can make a copy, actually gonna be easier. Duplicate, and there just change the number, whatever number you wanna type. Other thing might be change size, small. Okay, update. Now we have to go to our dashboard. Exit the dashboard. It should be installed in your VP forms. If not, then you need to go to the plugins and install this one plugin. So VP forms, I already made ones, but let's create from new one. I'm gonna delete, apply, so we don't have any left. Let's add new one, and then just click create simple contact form, and name, last name you can edit, and then you can change labels, name first, you can change description, you can write down something required or not required, take fields. I'm gonna leave as it is. Email as well, you can rename, comments. Let's say you're happy what you made it. If not, you just keep going and keep adjusting. You have only standard fields free with this contact form. So single text, drop down, checkbox, name, paragraph, multiply choices, numbers, and email. Fancy fields, you have to pay for those one, unfortunately, but it's good enough for contact. So when it's made, just press save, and then press this embed form, and then you need to copy this. Press Ctrl copy on Windows and close, and then exit the forms, go to pages, contact pages, edit with Elementor, go to HTML element, HTML, drag here down and paste this one and update. What we else can do, we can do some background. Let's put video. So go to the style, into video settings. Let's say this one I'm going to pick. You can pick whatever you fancy. Just paste, and then the timing I'm gonna 360, 460. Update, preview. Let's have a look what we have. Yeah, we have quite good one. Still need a bit adjust. We're gonna make a bit bigger map and gonna make more visible those words. Okay, so go back. How we gonna do this? So just press select on the map, London Ice, and then you can adjust the height. See, you can adjust. I'm gonna adjust roughly like this. Update. Then on those one, it not very seeable, those letters. So what we can do? We can select this section, and then we can go on background overlay. Press that. Background type. You can pick opacity and image. So I just gonna press this one, white one. See, it's more seeable straight away. And then opacity, you can make not visible at all, or you can disable, or you can reduce the opacity. So let's make like this kind of, then update and preview. Let's wait until video gonna load it. And as you can see now, those letters is seeable and its map is seeable. And what else? Let's have a look how our form works. So you type the name, you type the last name, you type the email, let's say, and you type some message. Okay, I mean this one, and you press submit. Yes, and you get thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly. Let's go have a look and see if we received the email. Yes, we received, and then the name, the email, and the message. So as you can see, the contact form working perfectly. Now we're gonna create covering area page. To the pages, to the covering area. Then we're gonna select full width stretch and disable title, update, edit with Elementor, select structure, full stretch and full width, go pick element of the heading and type covering area. Covering area. Just go to the style, text color, pick black one, go back to this, we can go center, and other settings, typography, we can pick some font, let's say transform to the uppercase, and do letter spacing like this. Update. Just preview. Yeah, covering area. Okay, next one. We need another structure. And then go and pick custom HTML. And drag and drop. If you're gonna go here, you can as well need stretch section, and if you selected box full width to do. Okay, so now we gonna need to go to Google Maps and make that covering area map. I will show you how to do that. So I'm gonna leave in the description. You need to log in into Google account and then go to the maps. Basically you end up in this kind of screen, and then you need to press create new map. As you pressed, you can type your area where you wanted to make. Let's say I press this one, and then layer, and then you go on this side and draw the line. You can as well make a bigger that you could see where you're drawing. As well, it has possibility to upload, import actually the map. So if you have GPS and you can drive to those roads and then bring back here and upload that, and would be showing that area. But we're gonna draw this one manually by hand. Add lines. If you want an exact replica, if you definitely have, so then probably best choice would be drive. Okay, we're just gonna try to play up. Okay, let's say we're gonna covering this area just roughly. That's gonna take time. This, and this is gonna be, let's say, Mondays. Mondays. Save. All done. Add another layer and draw again. You should do more nicely. I just a bit rushing because I don't want to take ages. Tuesdays. Save. Okay, and we can change color. Let's see this one. That would be seeable difference. You can adjust transparency, as you can see, and you can as well do the border bigger or smaller if you want. So that's the thing. So, and then add new layer and draw again. You can see how simple it is to do this one. It's really easy. Just let's say a bit, yeah, gonna go. Yep, and then Wednesdays. Days. Days. Save. Change color as well. Let's see, pink. A bit more. Okay. So 2 areas. Let another one. Thursdays. I'm gonna do. Thursdays, save. Let's do blue. Okay, and last one, Fridays. Okay, so as you can see, we have selected 5 areas. As well would work the same for the delivery prices. Let's say if you have a shop here, and then you can set up cycles, like let's say this cycle you're delivering for free, and then on the bigger cycle, let's say you charge £3 or £5 or whatever. You can as well do the same, actually, that the customer could know from where we're gonna be charged. Okay, let's go here. We're gonna change this, rename these layers. So we're gonna do Monday, rename this layer Tuesday, rename this layer Wednesday, rename this layer Thursday, and rename this layer Friday. Save. And then as well we can change this one servicing area of business, let's say, whatever. Save. Okay, you collected this one. You can actually delete if you want, or you can leave it. It's up to you. When you've done it like this, its map is already made. So then you have to share, and you have to change from private to the public on web. Save. Done. And then go embed on my site, and copy this one. Copy, go to Elementor, and where is this? Paste that code here. And as you see, the area showing up here. So if I'm gonna update here, then we can preview. Yes, and if you press on this, it's gonna show Friday, servicing on Fridays. You can set up, like, if delivery any prices, or what, you can write whatever you want, and then Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and then you can scroll down and make it bigger or smaller. Yep, it's only those signs. We have plus, you can actually see quite good. So that's done. One more thing, if you want to adjust and make bigger maps, so you go in here, and then instead of 4, you can adjust, say 880 if you want. Update, and then if you're gonna go here, it's gonna be mapped much bigger. If you scroll down, you can see exactly which area gonna be served when servicing of business. And as well, your clients will have the option to share this map. So that's gonna be the it for this covering area page. You can add other information if you fancy. I personally think it's good enough, because you're showing what you want, you're covering area. I can show another thing actually while we're here. If we're gonna go update, and we're gonna go exit to the dashboard, go all pages, and that service page. Go to the first page, service, edit with Elementor, and then go down. This map maybe would make sense to change it. so you can delete the new section. Stretch. Full width, and pick the HTML sign, drop down, then paste code. Yep, and it's showing up your area. Service of business actually on your first page. Update. And preview. Yeah. For the Get Quota page, we're gonna need to install Caldera Forms plugin. So we're going to Plugins, add New, and search for Caldera Forms. Yes, this one is over 200,000 active installations. We press install now, and after install, press activate. We go on Caldera Forms, pick the forms, and then press new form and pick the blank form and create some name. So quota, create form, and as you see is a blank. Press on that plus sign, you have 2 white spaces. If you want any more, you can keep pressing on them. If you want to add a field, just drag down, and then we're gonna pick number with minimum and maximum control. Gonna create the name, how many windows, okay. Next one, what else, the same, select the form and how many French doors, okay. That one, if you wanted to display the text in the line, you can select hide label and will be displaying in the field. So it's down to your preference. I'm gonna leave at the moment like this. Add field as well, select bay windows. Okay, we've done those. Add field, another one, and now we're gonna select checkbox. You see it's a lot of options, and then checkbox gonna be, do you have conservatory? Okay, and then we have an option yes, and add another option no, and then you need to show values press. If you have yes, how much you're gonna charge for conservatory clean. So let's say I put 15 number, and in here another option is 0. Okay, just create another field and this time drop down select and just enter do you want 4 weekly or 8 weekly service, and then the options 4 weekly and add option 8 weekly and show values. So for weekly, let's do 1 in this time, and for 8 weekly 0.5. I'm gonna explain why we do this. That's it. So the form is so simple. How many windows, how many French doors, bay windows, do you have conservatory, yes, no, do you want 4 weekly or 8 weekly service? You could add fields how many more you would like actually, but just for this time tutorial I just gonna do this one. You can as well insert gutter cleaning service, fascia cleaning might be required, or anything you gonna want to offer in your instant quote form. When you done this, you have to go add field, drop here, and then select file. We're going to special and set calculation. So this first calculation we're gonna call price for single clean. Price for single clean. Okay, you can add any currency you like. Let's say I'm gonna add pound sign, and then you're going pick manual formula operator. So how we're now doing, so you're going back to this and you're selecting slug, just do control copy, then you're going down to the formula and you have to press percentage sign, insert in percentage sign that slug, and then what you want to do with that, so multiply by how much you want to charge per one window, down to you. In this example I'm gonna pick, let's say, price 3, and then plus again percentage sign. We're going down and select another field. You can select all those fields what you created actually. So going down again, gonna paste and then gonna multiply by, let's say, 5. It just, for example, that would be the difference, and you would see how the system works. Again percentage sign, and now gonna go and copy this one, going down, okay, just gonna multiply by 4 plus again percentage what do you have conservatory. We're gonna copy this slug, going here, paste, and I'm gonna explain about this one. If you go there, you see you have 2 values, so it depends if it's person gonna pick yes, that's calculate gonna this one value 15. If it's none or not gonna select anything, it's gonna be 0. For the single clean calculator gonna be like this. We're not gonna add anything more. So now gonna save form, and we're gonna do preview form. And as you can see, we can add 1, and you can see change to 3, add another 1, change to 8, bay windows, add another 1, change to 12, and here if I pick this, add 15. If I unselect it, going down. If I select no, it stay the same price. So and this one hasn't been yet assigned to this formula, so it doesn't show anything. So go back. Now again, we're gonna do to those windows, add special, select field. As well, I'm gonna go and select pound sign. I'm gonna go back to this one. I'm gonna copy what we already everything done. Gonna go back to this one, manual formula, and gonna paste. We're gonna multiply everything by this field. Copy, going down, yep, and then that's price gonna be per year. We're gonna calculate, so we still have as well multiply by 12 months. And let's say as well, because the client will be signed, so you just can offer like some discount. Let's say you're gonna charge on 50%, so multiply by 0.5, and then this one field, if you go there, you still have as well assigned the name, yearly price. Okay, yeah, save form now, preview. One, yes, for weekly, and as you can see 162, it's come up price. That's working perfectly. Let's go back and add one more calculation, special, select field, and this time we're gonna calculate how much gonna cost per month if the client would be signed a yearly contract. So yearly clean price per month, and then this one pound signed, and manual formula. We have to go copy everything what is here actually. Copy, go in here, just paste, and we have to everything divide by 12 because everything have 12 months. So by 12, save, preview, 1, 1, yes, 4, and as you can see, if the client signed the yearly contract, instead of 27, he just have to pay 13.5, and 8 weekly, even cheaper if he wants, but because it's you doing less job. So that's the form is made actually. Let's go back. It's everything looks perfect. Add another page. No, not yet. We're gonna do the button. Add button, select, and we can write happy with the quota. Continue to order and then submit. We're gonna select next page. We've done this. Save, add page, second page, add field, single text line, and here we can type name, another field, another field, another field. Let's add email, let's add numbers, phone number, add another field, this time paragraph text area, and we can do address, then another field, add, drag, and button, order. Okay, and this time we leave submit the form. So the form is done. Actually, just save the form. If you're gonna go to the pages, there is like show breadcrumbs, that would be display the breadcrumbs, and you can select whatever you want. So what are you gonna write? This one page, and this one your details, save form, email processing. So here what's gonna go down to your email, Caldera forms notification. You can change this like how you want to specify this from email, where you're gonna get to this email reply if you want, and then you're gonna have email subject, quota, and then summary of all entered information to you. Processors, okay, it's all done, this form, so save. We're going now to the pages, get quota, here you have to disable title, disable future images, no sidebar select, and full width stretch, and then edit with Elementor, plus sign, select this structure, box full width, stretch, go to elements, and Caldera forms, form, we created quota, and you can see it's displaying like this straight away. Just apply. We're gonna create as well the background video as, let's pick same, $45, 65 minutes, update. It's not really advanced going, and then background type, color, select white, and adjust transparency like would be seeable text. Update, preview. As you can see, our form is displayed. Happy with the quota order, your details, order. Okay, let's create a header. Gonna select this one, insert some heading, get instant quota, do style, text color, black, typography, size, back, center, and go up. Get instant quota, that's good. We can still adjust style, typography, upper, and a bit smaller maybe, is that kind of thing. Yeah, I like it. And then we can duplicate this one. And write not happy with the instant quote I'm gonna do smaller letters, and then we can go here, full width, and then style, add some color. Good, I like that. Update, just drag down. Yep, it's all done. This like get instant quote, and then we go to customizer, additional CSC. I already entered this one, X. I'm just gonna delete. If empty CSC is gonna show up like this, like your form. So if you wanna like change colors or text, anything, you can paste this kind CSC and it's gonna change everything. This is controlled label color blue, so that's like those like letters, and this one like green, actually that's elemented. How you wanna, let's say you wanna this one change, so you're gonna go inspect element, and then you see this one element should be this one. I'm just gonna change it 1666331, and as you can see it became green. You can inspect that any element and you can change any element single color, and if you're gonna select the controller label class, it's all of them gonna become blue ones. So that's small tip if you want to change the colors, or if you want you can leave black ones. Okay, just I'm gonna publish, exit. Okay, so we have that kind of quotas. So let's have a look how does it work. Entering 1 1 1, yes, and select for weekly clean. Happy with the quota, continue to order. My name is Iridus. Email Irid. I just gonna make any. And then phone number you have to as well enter. Address. You just enter any address. I'm just not gonna entering anything, and press order. And it's saying form has been successfully submitted, thank you. We're gonna go and check in our email. As you can see, me, new quota, how many windows, how many doors. If I'm gonna press, you're gonna see that it's all information. It's actually here what client wanna order, how many windows, how often, what the price has been on offered, and the client's details. So as we can see, it's working everything perfectly, and the form has been created. So now we have created all pages about us, contact, covering, get quotas, sample page, and service. Now we're gonna adjust the header. Now we're gonna customize logo favicon site title for our website. So we have to go to visit site, and then we're gonna go customize. First, what we have to do is set home page settings. If we're gonna go your latest post, we wanna pick a static page and select home page. We're gonna select the service page. That's gonna be our home page. For the post page, like blog ones, we're not gonna select anything, as we're not creating any blogs for this website. So we just publish and go back, and now we can play with those settings. So we're going to header, site identity. First what we need to set up is select the logo. I already done the video, you can find somewhere. I'm gonna put the link to watch how to set up or go through whole settings, but this I just gonna select the logo and upload the files. Select the files, downloads, and I'm gonna pick this one and upload as well. Select the file, and this one, SVG document file, open, and as you see, it's not allowing to upload for me. So we need to install the plugin if we wanna support SVG format. Okay, so we're just going back, exit, plugins, add new one, SVG support. Install this one. Activate. Visit site. We come back here to this page. That's our page. So customize. Header, site identity, select logo, select files, SVG open, and as you can see now, uploaded. You have to write the title, your company name, select and skip cropping. As you can see, it's displaying. It's only so big, so we have to make smaller, adjust it. Then Windows cleaning, I'm gonna leave those one. Letters, you can as well adjust typography. Can make bigger or smaller. I'm gonna leave like this. Tagline, if you want to display anything underneath, just another WordPress website, I just gonna disable. And site, select site icon, select. I'm gonna pick this one, PNG file, select, and it's gonna display. Publish. Go back, primary header section. How you wanna display this one? Content width, full width, and then this letter is gonna go to the end and those gonna go to the end. Or if you wanna content width, so it's gonna be it's a little bit more in the middle. You can see different. I preferring myself full width, so I'm gonna select this one. And then you have bottom border size and bottom border colors. I don't wanna play with those settings. I'm gonna leave it as it is and gonna press publish. So all set up. Now we have to deal with the menu. Going back, primary menu. Okay, last menu, we can put the buttons like search. You can see that's the button appear here. You can see, we can search if you would like. You can hide this item on the mobile menu, or you can leave it. It's down to you. And that settings is for the sub menu actually. If you're having sub menu, like, then you have to pick fade, color, container. We don't have a sub menu at the moment. I'm gonna show you this one. Going back, and we're going to menus. Create new menu, menu name, main, primary menu, next, add items, we can add about us, get quota, contact us, covering area, and that is enough. We don't need home or service page because that's the same, and sample page, it was just made by the team. Publish, about us, get quota, contact us, and covering area. Hide this, and let's get quota. You're going in get instant quota page. In contact, you're going into contact page, and if you're gonna press that logo or Windows cleaning, you're gonna go back to the service page. It's all looks good. So the header is done. It's like we have a nice logo, we have a name, and we have a menu and search button. It's only one thing more I'm gonna show you, so that sub-menu area, how it would look. And in this website it doesn't require to have, but just for the information purpose. So you're going to menu, go this one, add items, let's say sample page, and then you created a sub menu, sample page. You can see that's how it's showing the sub menu. And we're gonna delete it. And we're gonna publish. I'm gonna press on Windows cleaning. So menu all done. First, what we need to make is term and condition page. So we're going back to our dashboard, to the pages, and then add new, and type terms and conditions. As always, no sidebar, disable title, and full width stretch. Publish, edit with Elementor. So first, plus sign, select structure, full stretch, full width, and then heading. And here you can type here or here, actually you can type anywhere. Terms and conditions, go to style, we're gonna keep a text color black, then maybe in the center. Yeah, just gonna leave it as it is. And now another structure, layout, full width, and we're gonna drop text editor down here, and then you can go to the website www.termsandconditionsgenerator.com. Enter your company name, in my condition Airidas Kirstukas, your website name, and website URL. So I'm just gonna copy, or we can make something different that we could see. I'm just gonna leave Windows, let's say. Next, generate my email address. Okay, country, you have to pick country whatever you are. I'm gonna pick United Kingdom, and email address. .com, generate. Yes, it all has been done. So copy text to clipboard, copy to clipboard, and then go to this page. Just go to press text, and then select and Ctrl V paste. Hooah! It's all done. How is it easy? Update, preview. Yes, all nice and good. Just it's twice terms and conditions. So if you go here to visual, you just can delete, and then welcome to Windows. That's actually the website name. You can adjust if you want, W, and then cleaning, let's say. Update again, and preview. That's done. So we're gonna go now to the customizer, footer bar, and we have to adjust this one. You have three options of layouts. There's no footer at all, like this style and like this style. If I scroll down, I'm gonna select, you can see a bit different. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one at this time. Section 1, you can text, widget, footer, menu. We're gonna leave it as a text. Current year or site title, we can leave as it is, and powered by author and theme. So we can just delete this one, and actually we can term and condition do our page. So we go here, terms and conditions, scroll to the end, press enter, and type conditions. Okay, so go to that page, select this one, Control copy, go here, select this, and press insert link, Ctrl V, apply. Yeah, all done. When you've done that, go to the text, scroll down, see this one. You need to copy this one, Control copy, and then go back to your this one and paste this one, Control, and now you have clickable link. Section 2, we don't have anything here, but you can pick text, widget. You can write the text if you want. You see the second text you have down there. You can write anything if you like. You can display like this in both sides, right and left. If you wanted to display more information, let's say we're gonna put some phone number, contact us on. Or email address. You can be creative as you want. Content width, full width you can put, so it's gonna be on the end. Don't do any borders, but you can do it if you want. And you can change as well background color. You can adjust whatever background you want on your preference, and content color as well you can adjust. At the moment is white, and if your link color is well same and your hover is still the same color, you can change it. Let's say link color, whatever, blue. Yeah, then you can see pressable link is blue. Okay, publish, and we can see we're done. It's only done displaying to the end. So how we fixed content width, full width, publish, hide controls, and you can see it's displaying on the right and on the left. So footer section is made. Customize. Footer widgets. Now you can have no widget as at the moment displayed. There's no widget, or you can select and you have widgets actually. You see 1, 2, 3 background color here. You can see different colors, different color options, and content color, publish. If you go back, then you're going to widget section, and then where you have to assign footer bar section 1, footer bar section 2, and those ones in the bar, and this is the widget area 1, 2, 3, 4. You can select 4 widgets. Now we're gonna assign footer widget area 1. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just do our menu. So we have to go to the dashboard, to the menus, and create new menu. Create new menu, and just call footer. Create menu. Display footer menu, and we're gonna add covering area, get quota, and about us. Add to menu, save menu. Going back to our website, going to customize, going to the widgets, widget area 1, add widget, navigation menu. You can write the title, footer menu you pick. I'm gonna set find out more, and press publish, and just scroll down, have a look how it looks. Yeah, find out more, covering area, get what about us. If you don't like this, you can just delete and then publish again. Covering area, get quote about us. So that's the idea. Second widget area, we're gonna create contact form. So we're going back, exit, dashboard, going to Caldera forms. We need to create new form, new, just simple contact form, footer contact we can call, create form. And then you can create how do you want. So first one, your details. Let us know how do you get back to you. You can leave it or you can delete if you don't like. I'm gonna just delete, remove this, yes. First name, last name, email address. Okay, I just wanna create in each field, so I'm gonna create more 2 fields. Then I'm gonna drag it here, last name, and the email address I'm gonna drag down to here. Then I'm gonna delete, make it 1 field, and then I'm gonna move it up. First name, last name, email address, how we can help, comments, those we don't need, so we're just gonna erase, send a message. So simple form is like this. Save form. By the default should be email already be assigned. If you want to change all those settings, you can go through. I just gonna go and exit to our website and then go to customizer and go to the widgets, to the widget area 2, add widget, Caldera forms, and then gonna footer contact, gonna pick, just scroll down, have a look how it looks. Yes, you can see first name, last name, email address, comment, question, send message, how we can help. It's, let's say those blue one doesn't really stand out very nice, so just gonna write down contact us. Contact us. Publish. Back the additional CSC, and this one, blue one, it doesn't look for me good, so I just gonna probably delete. I like this much better, and I'm gonna delete this one as well. I don't need any. Publish CSC. This way it looks much more nicer for me. But that has been done. So footer widget area 3, we're gonna assign our Facebook page. So you have to go back. You're gonna need to install the plugin. Going to our dashboard, plugins, add new. We're searching for social like box. Social like box. That first one, over 40,000 plus active installation. Install now. Activate. We're going back to visit our site. Customize. Footer. Widgets. Footer widget area 3. Add widgets. Facebook page like box. And then title. You can leave empty, or you just write social or social, let's say. And then Facebook page. Copy. Paste. And you can see it's showing my Facebook page. And then you can set widget width and widget height. Let's scroll down. We can make same high as this one, so 580, let's say. It's a bit longer. It's the same, and all done. Publish. So first thing, you can assign anything you like. Let's say go widget 4, add widget. You can show calendar if you want. You can show gallery, your images. In navigation, we're done. Comments, you don't have search, text. You can put some text if you want. Let's do video. Just press video. Find out more about us and add video. Insert from URL. Copy. Add widgets. And you can see our video is there. You can show your clients what you're doing, how you're doing. Publish. We're gonna go back, exit. And that's it. Our website is like done. We assign our footer area, our footer bar.
I am Airidas Kirstukas, and thanks for watching this. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to subscribe below and press notification bell, as if you will watch my videos, it will help you to create amazing websites at affordable price for anything.